Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen yesterday, my video, I was saying that watch your Fibonacci retracement. If it makes a move down to a Fibonacci level, nice engulfing move to the upside, then that would probably be another entry to go long. And what happened? It was definitely another entry to go long. Now, I am still very bullish on the US dollar yen. I still think we are likely in a wave C, and I still think this wave C is likely to take out the high of wave A. We are at the 78%. That could be an area of resistance where it causes a much bigger pullback. But even if it does, I am definitely still focused on longs. So right now, I would probably start off by having my fib on this wave now. And if it does decide to make a higher low, nice fib bounce, nice engulfing up, then I would definitely take it as a long. If that 78% does cause a bigger pullback, then I potentially am going to want to put my Fibonacci on the whole series of higher highs, higher lows, which starts way down here. If that's the case, then I would probably be looking for someplace between a 38 to 78% pullback. But because of my higher time frame analysis, whether it's a pullback to just this wave or whether it's a pullback to the last series of higher highs, higher lows, either way, I am definitely still primarily only looking for logs because the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames are all still in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.